Hey there YouTube, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great and staying safe out there in this crazy world right now. On today's video, we are going to be painting my calipers on the Integra DA9. Just a silver aluminum paint, so it could look like brand new calipers. Right behind me, it's a DA with it already done. I forgot to record an intro earlier on in the video, so I will show you guys what paint I'm going to be using right now. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Go ahead and give the video a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. It's a great video and it will make your car look 10 times better with just a spray can. That's it. Let me show you guys what paint I'm going to be using. Alright guys, so this is the paint that I'm going to be using. Just some Rust-Oleum aluminum paint. We'll see how it looks. Here's my key to my locks on my car, and then we're gonna go ahead and jack the car up right now. Here's what it looks like right now. Looks pretty nasty back there, so we're gonna fix that right now. Go ahead and jack it up.
I'ma go to be the oldest man. And cats thinking they gon' win cause they veterans. Ain't about age at this age, man, with the most.
Now we just gotta hit it with some 80 grit. It looks better. Alcohol. Towel. That's my sandpaper. There it is. All right. Gotta tape this bitch. Way better. You can actually see the caliper now. I'm gonna go ahead and knock this one out real quick. Show you guys when I'm done.
Y'all wonder
So that's pretty much what it came out like, guys. It's the OEM style caliper paint, aluminum or solely aluminum paint. There you go. I'll show you guys the other side also. Nice. I like it. Oh shit, my camera. Yeah, I really like it, guys. We'll go ahead and do the fronts.
I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe that now I'm so high. And now that's over. I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe that now I'm so high. That now I'm so high.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like the results of the spray painted calipers. I love it. It looks 10 times better. It looks clean. They look brand new, and then they stand out now. So for OEM calipers, can't go wrong. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.